Hello, in this video we will see how to download and set up a Visual Studio. So for this Visual Studio, go to the Chrome tab and click on the search bar as download Visual Studio. So click on the first one, Visual Studio Microsoft.com. So Visual Studio 2019 for Windows and Mac. So click on this community tab, free download. So here click on free download Windows into 64-bit. So whenever you have download this one, so in this download tab you can visible this one. So Visual Studio Community, this one it will be visible. Click on this and click on Run as Administrator. Click on X. So I have already installed this Visual Studio, so that's why it was so. And if it was installing, so click on next and click on this desktop development with C++ and click on install. So for creating a project, we will go to the Visual Studio. So I am opening the Visual Studio. So in this we can create a project and we can run these files. So for this I am clicking here, create a new project. So clicking on console app, this C++ Windows 1. So click on next. So click on this project name. I am giving the project name as Trail Visual 1. So I am giving the project name as Trail Visual 1. So and click on create. So the project is going to create. So here the project is created. So it's automatically created as IO stream and main function and this. So this block and stdcu out. So for this I am going to run this one. So for building a project and running the project, click on build. So click on debug and click on start without debugging. So you can see the output now. So here hello world is there. Okay, in this way you can run this project also. So I am writing another one, cout hi Omkar computer education. So I am changing this one. So I am clicking on debug, start without debugging. So I am waiting for the output. I have got the output as hello world and welcome to the Omkar's computer education. What I have written in this one, so just I have got the output here. Okay, in this way we have to download and install the Visual Studio and we can run this project also. Okay, if you understand, please like, share and subscribe to this Omkar's computer education channel.